In this class, we are going to discuss about the next topic, that is three variable K-map. Okay, so I'm just considering the three variables as A, B, C. Okay, so as we discussed in the previous class, that is two variable K-map. It is consist of only two variables. Those are related. Those are referred as A and B, or otherwise X and Y. So in this in this way. Like this way, I can consider the for three variable K map, I can take A, B, C. Okay, so now whenever you consider three variable K map, it will contains the number of cells. Okay, whenever you consider the whatever the K map, the number of cells become 2 power n. Okay, for example, if you are considering two variable K map, so the number of cells is equals to 2 square, that equals to 4 cells. Okay, so in this same way for three variable K map, so we are considering three variables now, for where n is equals to, here in 2 power n formula, where n is equals to number of cells. Remember it. Okay, so for example, if you are considering three variable K map, that is A, B, C. Okay, so how many cells we are getting for this three variable K map means that is equals to 2 cube equals to 8 cells. Okay, so totally the number of cells for three variable K map is equals to 8 cells. Okay, so here this three variable K map having the two structures. Okay, so the two structures are, one is horizontal K map and vertical K map. Okay, so that means we can take horizontally or we can take vertically. Okay, that means you can represent the three variable K map in horizontal representation. That means the pictorial representation in horizontal, maybe in vertical. Okay, so here first example, first I am considering the horizontal representation. Okay, now we will see what is horizontal and how to represent horizontal K-map and how to represent vertical K-map. So now we will see that. So in that, first I am considering the, or first I am taking the horizontal K-map. Okay, so this is also related to the three variable K-map. Okay, so and here as usual we are having possibilities. So that is nothing but the horizontal K-map representation, pictorial representation is like this. We are taking horizontal representation is like this, and already you know, right, we are having partition like this. Okay, so for horizontal K map is also having the partition, and now we will see how many cells we are getting and how to take that variables in this K map. Now we'll see that. Okay, so here for example, if you are taking two variables in column. Okay, so I'm considering here two variable K map. So two variables is nothing but A and B I'm considering, right? So at the top of the column, at the column side we are considering single variable, and at the row side we are considering the one variable. That means we are having only two variables, then it will be separated by row and column directly. But in this three variable we are having the totally three variables. How to represent that three variables means, in this three variables, just I'm considering two variables here and one variable is here. Okay, if you are taking horizontal means you are taking maximum variables at top side. Okay, if you are taking horizontal means the maximum number of variables taking at top side. Remember this point. Okay, so what that is horizontal K map. What is horizontal K map means, in horizontal K map that is related to the three variable K map, the maximum number of variables will take it at the top of the side. Okay, so that is nothing but, here the top of the side we are taking two variables, and at the row side we are taking only single variable. Okay, so for this one variable at a row and column side, one variable means how many possibilities we are taking for single variable, that is nothing but 2 power 1. How many what is the formula for number of combinations, that is nothing but 2 power n. 2 power n is nothing but, here how many inputs we are having, that means how many variables we are having, just substitute here. At the column side we are having single variable, that is 2, so 2 power 1, so we'll get the two combinations. Two combinations that is in represented by binary means zeros and ones. Already already I explained ma, that is nothing but each cell can represent the binary information that is in the form of minterm. Okay, so here like this 0 1 0 1, and the minterm combinations is like this m0 m1 m2 m3. Okay, so in the like this way horizontal K-map is also having the two variables at the top side and one variable at the downside. That is nothing but here two variables means how many possibilities we are getting like this way. That is nothing but 2 square. Two possibilities no, two variables no, so totally we are getting the four possibilities. So what are the four possibilities we are getting? That is nothing but for four variables we can four possibilities we can consider as 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so and another variable c is nothing but single variable na. Single variable means how many possibilities we are getting? Two possibilities. 2 power 1 is nothing but 2, that is equals to 0 and 1. So these are the possibilities. Okay, so this is the three variable K map. Okay, so how to represent for this 8 cells means like this. So totally here having the four possibilities, so that's why I can take four boxes at the top side and at that means column side, and for row side we are having only single variable now, that's why I can take two possibilities. So those possibilities are 0 1 for C, and AB is nothing but I can represent 0 0 0 1. Okay, so like this way we can represent. Okay, so and also one more point in that the in this horizontal itself, in this horizontal for three variable K map, in this horizontal itself you can represent A as here and BC as here, no problem. Okay, you can interchange the variables, that's your wish. Okay, how to represent that variables, how to take means that's your wish. A as here or AB as here. Okay, so if you are taking A as here, only single variable you can consider here in the horizontal K map, so the remaining two variables you can consider here, that means BC. Okay, so that's no problem. That means the variables in this K map is always interchange. Okay, so like this can be changed here and this can be changed here, no problem. Okay, so totally the number of cells, how many now in this K map, totally 8 cells is required, because this having 2 cube is nothing but how to get the 8 possibilities for this means for this 3 variable. So 3 variable will get the 8 combinations, that 8 combinations we can consider as the cells 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So totally we are getting the 8 cells. Okay, so you can count here from are you having 8 cells or not. Okay, so now there are now here for 2 variable we are having only 4 cells like this 0 1 2 3. Okay, so here what is cell? Okay, so always so ask the reference of this cell. What is meant by cell means the possibility of the variable. So what is the possibility of any variable? That is nothing but to represent in binary information like this 0 1 0 1 for this A variable, and for AB what are the possibilities we are having? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so this is the possibility of the any variable. Okay, so what is the cell means? Cell is nothing but that is the possibility of the variable. Remember this point. Okay, so in this way you are having two variable on top side. Okay, so we'll get totally 4 combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so here I'm writing that combinations here 0 0 0 1. I can write here 1 1 and 1 0. Okay, so 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Why I return 1 0 as here? Okay, just observe the point. So why I return 1 0 as here means, and 1 1 here means, so many of you having same doubt according to K map, why are writing 1 1 here and 1 0 is here. Okay, just observe here in the order for the binary information, in the order up to now we are taking the binary information. Up to now we are taking that binary possibilities for two variable is like this: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So just refer the previous notes. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, right? Up to now we are taking that binary possibilities for two variable is nothing but like this way. But here I am considering that binary combinations are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so we are writing always like this manner. But why I am taking 1 0 as here and 1 1 here means, the reason behind this is for every state. Okay, for one state to another state. Okay, for every state change, you need for every state can change, you need to change only one bit. Okay, just remember the point. What is the point? Means for every state, so the major point is for every state will be change. Okay, you need to change. Okay, you need to change only one bit. Okay, so see here, what is the reason why I am writing 1 0 as here and 1 1 here means, for every in binary, okay, in K map, if you are having 3 variable or if you are having 4 variable except 2 variable, okay now. So for every state can change, compulsory the next state it needs to change only one bit. Just observe here, in the first state, see here 0 0, for the first state we are having, see here, for 0 0 to 0 1, the state can changes to 0 1. The first state will be 0 0, this can changes to the 0 1. Just observe here, only one bit change in this. So 0 is as it is and this 0 can changes to the 1. So that means only one bit will be changes, right? So and here coming to the next state, okay, from 0 1 to 1 1 stage. Okay, so after 0 1 stage, okay, after 0 1 stage only one bit change, right? Only one bit change must be there. But observe here, if you are writing, just I am writing here 0 1 to 1 1 stage. Okay, so the after coming to the 0 1 stage, what I am writing here, 1 1 stage. Just check it, is it one bit change or not? So compulsory we need to change one bit, right? So this 0 can changes to 1 here, and here 1 is as it is, right? Only one bit can changes here. Okay, so that means you cannot change 2 bits at a time. That is the point, you cannot change 2 bits at a time. So one bit change means either this bit, or either this bit. Okay, so in these 2 bits we can change only one bit. Okay now, so here in this 0 can changes to 1 and 1 can changes to 1 cannot changes to 0. Okay, so that means 1 is as it is and 0 can changes to 1. So that means simply we can say that in that one bit is changes. Okay, so while coming to the next stage, or but suppose if you are writing, if you are written if you written 1 0 here, okay, for example if you written in third stage 1 0 as here, okay, it's compared to the previous stage, is it change or not, one bit is change or not while comparing to the previous stage. Okay, so that is nothing but from 0 1 to 1 0 stage, if you written 1 0 as here, okay, what happens? So here just observe here, 0 can changes to 1 and again 1 can changes to 0. Here the 2 bits will be changes, right? Okay, if you written 1 0 here, what happens? What is going to happen means, from 0 1 state to 1 0 state, 2 bit changes at a time. Okay, it is not possible in K map. That's why here I am writing, that's why here we are writing 1 1 here and 1 0 here. Okay, so in next 4 variable K maps also you are writing 1 0 is here and 1 1 here. Okay, what is the reason behind this? Means this is the reason. Only we need to change one bit only. We cannot change two bits at a time. Okay, so that is the point. That's why I can return here 10 is here and 11 here. Remember this point. Okay, so now see the complete horizontal K map for the three variable means I can draw here. So I'm taking AB as here and C variable is here. Okay, so totally 8 cells, no? So just write the combinations for two variables 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, so in the next one 0 1. So in the first box, how to represent the for min terms? That is nothing but m naught. So this K map can be represented in min terms m naught, m1, this is m2 and this is m3, m4, m5, m6, m7. Okay, so after 0 1 stage, the next stage will be 1 0, right? Not 1 1 stage in normal procedure, right? So that's why I can return here. After m1 will represent in here m2. Okay, that means a 0. This is the 0 column. That means a 0 cell, and this is the first cell. This is the second cell and third cell, fourth cell, fifth cell, and this is sixth, and this is the seventh cell. Okay, the numbering of cells is like this. Okay, so if you are having, for example, if you are having any binary expression that may be consist of like this. For example, f is equals to some abc complement plus abc plus a complement bc. For example, if you are having the Boolean expression is like this. So how to solve this Boolean expression means we'll see in the next class. Okay, so now we'll see the next class how to minimize that Boolean expression by using K-map. Okay, so and also you know how to write in complement terms for variables means a, B, C, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 for 0 1. So this cell can represented in already we know, right? 0 is always represented as complement and 1 is always represented as normal, right? So now represented in binary information in variable representation. That means I can convert this binary information into variable representation. Okay, so this box can indicate it as 000, this 0 and 00, right? And this 0 0 1, that means 0 0 1, and this box can indicate it as binary information is 0 1 1, and this 0 1 0, and next 1 0 0 1 0 1, and next 1 1, and the next box is 1 1 0. Okay, so now represent this binary information can be converted into the variable representation. That is nothing but here the top of the boxes will have the A, B, and this is C. Okay, this box consists of A, B, C, but 0 is always complement term. No, you can represent like this: A complement, B complement, C complement. That must be in product term. Okay, so next 0 0 1. So 0 0 1 is nothing but here 0 1 will be represented as, how to represent 0 0 1? That is nothing but 0 for C, C complement, and another 0 for A complement, B. Okay, this this cell will be indicated as A complement, B, C complement. Okay, so next this one. So that is nothing but here 0 is indicated as C complement and remaining will be 1 1. So I can represent normal representation AB. Okay, so again C will be 0, that is complement, and A will be normal and B will be 0, that is complement. Coming to the next cell, that is a fourth cell. So that is nothing but A will be here, C will be normal, and A, B will be 0 0. So A complement, B complement. And while coming to the next one, so 0 1. Here we'll have the 1 0 1, no? So 1 can represent it as C, and next 0 1 can represent it as A. So 0 is nothing but A, that is complement, and B is nothing but 1, you can represent normal. And 1 is nothing but all will be normal. So next 1 1 0. 1 1 0 is nothing but C will be 1 and A will be 1 and 0 will be B. So A, B complement C. So totally we are getting that variable possibilities will be like this. Okay, so this is the complete explanation about three variable horizontal K map. Okay, so like this way, the second thing, that is nothing but another classification we are having, that is nothing but vertical 3 variable K map. Now we'll see that this explanation. So the finally the pictorial representation of horizontal K map is like this. Okay, so in that the main point is what is the reason behind this, why I am writing 10 here and 11 here, means this is the reason. Okay, so now coming to the vertical 3 variable K map. So here 3 variable K map can also be designed as vertical manner, that is nothing but like this. Okay, so the vertical 3 variable K maps will be designed as like this. That means you can interchange the variables. So I can take the variables will be considered as A, B, C. Okay, so the vertical variable means here I am taking the A, B, and here I am considering the C. Why I am taking in the downside 2 variables means the in vertical 3 variable K map, compulsory you are taking the maximum number of variables at the downside. Remember that point. Okay, so in this 3 variable K map, maximum number of variables will be taking a top side. This is the main point for horizontal K map. So while coming to vertical 3 variable K map, so the maximum number of variables will be taking at downside. Okay, here. So that's why I can consider 2 variables here and single variable here. Okay, so for that means you can interchange the variables like this also. You can represent at the top side, that is A and BC is here. That means you can interchange the variables now. A as here, that means you can consider single variable for A here, and the remaining 2 variables you can indicate it here, BC. So that means you can interchange always the variables is like this. That means here you can interchange, and here this variable can changes like this. Okay, so here see here I am taking I am taking C here and AB is here. Okay, so you can take any order. Okay, you can take any order like this. A here and BC is here. Compulsory the combinations will be taken, refer to the variables. Okay, the you are taking variables means you are taking combinations means just refer the how many variables you are taking at the downside and how many variables you are taking at the top side. Just first check it, after that you can write the combinations. Okay, so here I am taking the total 2 variables now. So in this part we are getting the totally 4 combinations. For C variable now, here we are having the single variable, right? That means consist of only 2 combinations. For single variable we are getting the 2 combinations now. So 0, 1. While coming to the 2 variables, how many possibilities we are getting? 4 possibilities. 0, 0, 0, 1, and the third possibility will be changes. That means 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, you need to skip that 1, 0 to the last step. Okay, here also we are having total 8 cells now. So that 3 variable total the combinations will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. That means you need to skip this last you need to skip this 10 to 1, 0 to last step. Okay, so for this C having 0 and 1. Okay, so how to represent min terms means like this: M0, M0, M1, M2, and this is M3. While coming to the next step, M4. No, here M0 and here M1. Sorry for that, ma. So 000 M0 and 001 M1, and next 010 M2 and 011 M3. Next 100 M4, and this is 101 M5, and this is M6, and this is M7. Okay, so this is the complete pictorial representation of vertical 3 variable K map. Okay, so by using some examples, by using some boolean expression, we need to solve by using this. Okay, so if you are considering any boolean expression, that can solve by using this vertical k-map or maybe horizontal k-map. Okay, for example, if you are having any boolean expression for this three variable, okay, like this way, if you are having boolean expressions having only three variables, that may be xyz or abc. So in that, like this way, you are having any expression that can solve by using k-map, you will get you need to take vertical or maybe you need to take horizontal. Okay, so in this way, you need to take any one structure. Okay, that's your wish, that may be horizontal structure or that may be vertical structure. Okay, now so anyone you can take it in that. By using that vertical or horizontal, you can solve this or you can minimize this boolean expression. Okay, so this is the complete explanation about the three variable k-map. In this we'll have two structures, one is horizontal and another one is vertical. Okay, so in this we'll have also four variable k-map. So in the next class we will discuss that topic. Okay, thank you, ma.